go to the beneficiary account. Then they issue notice to the beneficiary or to the account entry operator, and then ask for the certain information and they precise for the disclosure. This is the basis for the disclosure, and you must be aware that 16,000 companies, the list has been prepared by the department, and this list is already with the assessing officer. This list has been prepared only on the basis of either statement recorded in the course of survey, search, or statement recorded under section 131 in respect of this FI. STR. These reports are called STR, Suspicious Transaction Reports. Friends, here one thing I will let you know, that there are two types of reports, category A and category B. As a category A is concerned, it's very important. If you get such notice and if you go to the DDI, you can ask him, sir, is it a category A case or category B case? Why I tell you? If it is a category A case, and if the DDI is asking you to admit that this is all Jamakat entries or accounts entries, which is very common nowadays, we are not aware. We just ask our client, yes, you admit, यहाँ झमेला खत्म होता है. Friends, झमेला खत्म नहीं होगा, झमेला शुरू हो रहा है. Because the STR reports in category A are, after this accounts entry, statement, etc., full report is prepared, are sent back to FIU. Then FIU can again send it back to either PMLA or any other authority, or even CBI. But category B report is concerned, it is only sent to the assessing officer. So if it is a category A STR, then think twice before admission. And all the reports are sent to additional DI by ADI, then to DI, and DI approves every report. Only because the ADI or DDI has favored you or have missed something, but additional DI or the DI can again ask for further investigation. So these reports are very vital, such investigation is very vital, friends. And never take lightly whenever you get notice under section 131 in respect of this FIU or this STR. This is the organization setup of FIU. At the top is the director. What types of information are normally furnished to FIU? Cash transaction more than 10 lakh rupees. Series of, one thing I tell you friends, as per this AI information and this demonetization, we have been told that amount exceeding 12,50,000, the deposit exceeding 12,50,000, it will not be reported to Income Tax Department. But as an FI is concerned, the limit is 10 lakh. Received by non-profit organization more than 10 lakh rupees, such case can be sent to FIU, can be sent by FIU. Cash transaction of forged or counterfeit notes, all suspicious transaction, whether or not made in cash. Normally these type of transactions which are sent by FIU for further investigation. Institutions, agencies, companies furnishing information to FIU. Finance institution, insurance companies, hire purchase companies, chit fund companies, cooperative banks, housing finance institution, NBFC, and authorized person clause section 2 of Fund Exchange Management Act. And these are the intermediaries who also furnish information to FIU. For say stockbrokers, sub-brokers, share transfer agents, bankers for issue. There are so many intermediaries. So the information can be reached to FIU by any such means or any type of transaction which are being covered by such agencies. So friends, FIU is proceeding notice under section 131, I have already told you, and there can be survey or there can be search and seizure because of this FI. Category A we have already covered. Friends, I have tried my best to share my knowledge with you, and what I told you, this is all my practical experience. It may be applied in your case, it may not be applied in your case. You have to be choosy that what you should apply or how should you tackle your case. But as your demonetization is concerned, you will get a lot of work, and please warn your SSC that if he had made any such investment in bank which he cannot explain, he should be very careful. And if you have any query, you can send in my website www.incometaxparascocha.com. Thank you friend for listening.
Any question you can ask now. Anybody want to ask the questions?
Sir, whether the detail tell us information whether the information fall under category.
Yes, he can tell. After all, we are here.
Any other question? आगे आगे आइए, आगे आइए।
जैसे अपने अभी बात करें तो नॉर्मली सब अपने बात कर ही रहे हैं वो डीडी सेविंग का एंड ऑल, एंड पातोदिया सर भी अभी कह रहे थे कि वो पूछ सकता है, बट क्या वो पूरे कंट्री को पूछेगा, क्योंकि ये नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टेंस है इंडिया में। बट अगर वो पूछेगा, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू आस्क इज कि एज पर एज माय नॉलेज अपने अगर सेविंग को इट विल नॉट बी कंसीडर्ड एज इनकम, तो अपने उसको टैक्स नहीं कर सकते, तो अपने उसको रिटर्न में कैसे दिखाएंगे, क्योंकि बैंक में डिपॉजिट तो कर दिए।
Good. Suppose the cash balance as on 8 November in a lady's file is 1 lakh rupees, but you are depositing 2,40,000 rupees. So the gap is 1,40,000, and this is not income because you are not paying tax on this income. You should show in the capital account, and you should mention pin money or saving of past of household drawings, saving from household drawing or pin money, and you should add it to the capital account. Now, even if the assessing officer makes the addition that there is no source and I don't accept it as a pin money, you have no evidence. I cannot give the citations right now, but there are also case law in which it has been stated that the pin money is not accepted.
सर तो लेकिन फिर ये अगर जिनका आइडिया टूट जाता है उसमें तो फिर कहीं कैपिटल का अमाउंट मांगता ही नहीं है।
आप अपनी बैलेंस शीट बनाइए, इसमें भी ये आपका फॉर्म रिटर्न आइडिया 4 भी हो सकता है। यू डोंट थिंक कि अदरवाइज यू मेक योर ओन बैलेंस शीट, उसमें आप कैपिटल में ऐड कर दीजिए। If there is no scrutiny assessment, no investigation, तब तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है। The problem will arise if there is a scrutiny assessment or there is any investigation.
अगर सर आइडिया टूट तो फिर दिखाने का भी जरूरत नहीं है।
है जी?
बैलेंस शीट तो अपने अपने पास रखेंगे।
हाँ, एकदम, लेकिन बैलेंस शीट आप एंट्री तो यही करेंगे।
दिखाने का तो इतना बुलाएंगे।
जगह नहीं है, जरूरत तो नहीं। You can note down on case law as your pin money is concerned. 19 Naidu versus CIT 1956.
1 minute sir.
Naidu versus CIT in bracket 1956, 29 ITR, Nagpur. Pin money received by a woman for her dress or private expenses, as also small savings affected by housewife out of money is given to her by her husband for running the day-to-day household expenses, would not become income on the eye of the law. Any property or assets acquired with the aid of such money would form a capital asset belonging to the living. Very clear.
So page number 29 ITR page number.
Please search. It is not mentioned. 29 ITR. 1956, 29 ITR. Please search it. I will give the case law.
Any other last question? Friends, 19th and 20th December we have our regional conference, the mega event. We have speakers, Mr. Amarjit Chopra, who will be speaking critical issues on auditing standards. We have Manoj Patniji, who will be speaking on this accounting standard, the recent changes. We have Girish Ahuja, who will be covering demonetization. We have forensic expert who is coming from Chennai, Mr. P. Sanat Kumar. We also have this GST, Mr. DB, for GST we have DB Desai and B. Aguraman. Kapil Goyal will be speaking on the critical issues in the income tax. I would request to register. Don't wait for the last minute because this time we have this in Kala Mandir. We have limited seats. And excellent presentation, needless to say. So I would request everybody put your hands together for Paraji. Request Sushil ji to please come forward and offer a memento on behalf of EIRC and all of us. On 6th we have changes. We have bank audit. Mr. Jain Gupta will be speaking Tuesday. And we have 2 more GST sessions that is on next to next Friday and Saturday, for which you can register. So thank you everyone.